guys, this is Jessica Chats. I'm Jessica, and today I'm going to be showing you a DIY on some ripped jeans. You can do it on black or your basic denim jean, even white. It shouldn't take but a few minutes, so let's get started. Before we get started, there's a few items that you're going to need. Number one, your jeans. Whether it's jeans or jean shorts, get your denim. You can have even if you have an old pair of denim, that's even better because it'll be a more distressed look. Um, you also will need scissors. Okay, gotta be sharp enough to cut through the jean. You will need a marker, and of course some tweezers, and last but not least, paper towel, tissue, napkin, whatever, and that's it. Okay, you guys, the first thing that you're going to want to do is take your jeans and you're going to mark it. I had folded it over a bit so I can hold it, but you see where the pocket is? Okay, so you're going to mark your shorts where you want it to start at. Just a little line across. Mine's kind of scribbly, but you get the picture. Straight line across, and then you're going to mark it where you want it to end. And then you're going to take the scissors and cut it straight across this line and straight across that line. Okay, so the very first thing you're going to do with the scissors, you're going to cut and pinch that little area. Doesn't have to be perfect. And you're just going to cut that line straight across. And then you're going to bring your hand up through there so you can have something to grab a hold on to and cut this line straight across. Make sure you got some sharp scissors. And that's it. Now you got two holes right there. So once you've cut in the holes on each side, once you're cutting the line straight across, you're going to then take your tweezers and you're going to simply start pulling on them threads until they start to come up. You want that line to get a little bit fuzzy so it's easier to grip the strings out. And the strings you're going to want to pull out is the ones that's going up and down. So you're going to leave the strings in that's going across, and you're going to take the strings out that's going up and down, and just kind of pulling on that a little bit here helps you get the frizziness, and helps you be able to pull the strings that you need to pull. So once you got that kind of fuzzy and frizzy, then it's time to go ahead and pull the strings that's going up and down. Start to take out the strings that are going long ways, and it starts to get like a little gap, then it'll be much easier. Right when you first start out, it's going to be hard to try to pull it one by one because they're so connected together. But then once you get it going, you're then be able to pull out so many, 3, 4 at a time. See? And you're gonna just then see that white part, and you're gonna be pulling the rest of the blue denim out. Okay, you guys, once you've gotten your jeans the way you want it, and you have gotten to whatever style you like, then you're done. It may take a little longer the first time you do it because of the threading with the tweezers, but other than that, keep practicing at it and it will take no time at all. Okay? Finished look. This is the finished look of that denim jean. You can make this go all the way up if you want to. I didn't. I just kind of did something real simple. Same thing on both sides. You can make your jeans however you want. It will take a little longer the first time, but once you get used to it, you get easier. It gets easier. You get better at it. Okay, you guys, that is how you make a DIY ripped denim. You can do it on jeans or shorts, um, your preference, and you can do it however you want. You can really freelance and make the ripped jeans the way you want. Like I said, that first time it's going to take you a little bit longer because of the tweezers, and just pulling them threads. But once you get used to it, do it a couple of times, and it'll be easier each time. This is Jessica Chats. I'm Jessica. Tune in next time. Make sure you like, comment if you want to comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel if you haven't already. Bye, you guys.